Happy afternoon, Papa.
Happy afternoon, Nana.
Do you know what I have learned in EPS?
Yes. What is learning? BTS.
I have learned about
First,
first
the
day
group name.
EPS 60 Bandhan Rahulji.
Yes, very nice. Super. Say better. What do you learn?
On the first day, I have learned about introduction to EPS.
Good.
And the second day, about stage fright.
Okay.
What is stage fright? Means fear of stage. Fear of stage is nothing but when we are going onto the stage, we are getting shivered. That is called stage fright. And on the third day, I have learned about body language. What is body language? Body language is nothing but the way which we are speaking to the person who we are going to deliver our speech. And on the fourth day, we have learned about content preparation. What is content preparation? Content is very, very important to a motivational speaker or a public speaker.
Yes.
Right? Content preparation. How to make a content preparation and how to take the content. By which age group of people we have to take.
Yes, very nice.
And on the fifth day, we have learned about voice modulation. What is voice modulation? Voice modulation is nothing but a voice which we are going to deliver.
Yes.
In the which way of voice. Sometimes we may be anger and go onto the stage and tell, hi, today I am going to tell about this topic. Like that. If we tell, anybody will listen it? No, na?
Yes.
If we tell by smiling,
Yes.
a little bit of smile while coming onto the stage. If we smile, everybody get attracted to us and they may listen to our topic.
Yes.
And on the day 5th, we have learned about day 6th, we have learned about memory and acronyms.
Yes.
What is memory? What is acronym? Memory and acronyms means acronym is nothing but a meaning of a letter. A meaning of a letter. For any letter, like let's take alphabetical order. For A, it's attractive. In that way, there are many acronyms. There are 26 acronyms for 26 letters, right? And on the 7th day, we have learned about storytelling. What is storytelling? Storytelling is nothing but telling a speech by our own.
Yes.
Is called a storytelling. How to prepare that storytelling, from where we have to take that story.
Yes.
And on the 8th day, we have learned about Navarasalu. What is Navarasalu? Anybody can't understand, right?
Yes.
Navarasalu means types of our expressions.
Yes.
And let me tell you one of it. Hasyam.
Yes.
Hasyam means laughing.
Yes. Very
A
nice.
smile from our face is Hasyam. Right? On the 9th day, we have learned about surprise. What is surprise? My God, is there any surprise for me? We may get shocked, right? That is called surprise.
Yes.
This is one type of surprise. This is also one type of surprise. In this way, we have some types of surprises.
Yes.
On the 10th day, we have learned about poster making. What is poster making? How to make that? Poster making is nothing but making a poster of us. Making a poster of us. That is called poster making. In what app can we make? Which is perfect to make that? In that way, our coaches have taught us very expensively. And on the 11th day, we have learned about how to prepare the first speech. For example, when I am going first time onto the stage, I may get shivered. While telling, I forgot some points and remember it again after completion of our speech. And to overcome that, they have told us how to prepare a first speech. How to make it a first speech. And on the last day, and it's last but not the least, and it's day 12. On the day 12, we have learned about ethics and etiquettes. Ethics means Naitika Viluvalu.
Yeah.
In Telugu, we may call it as Naitika Viluvalu. Ethics, Naitika Viluvalu, like respecting our parents, our teachers, our grandparents,
And people.
who all the society.
Yes. Very nice.
Give respect and take
Take
respect. Thank you.
Very good. కానీ అన్నీ ఎస్ థ్యాంక్ యూ నాన్న వెరీ గుడ్ థ్యాంక్
Thank
యూ
you.
గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ బెటర్ చింతలకి బంగారు వెరీ గుడ్ నాన్న వెరీ గుడ్ నువ్వు అట్లాగే TTTWS వర్క్షాప్లో జాయిన్ అయ్యి ట్రైన్ చేయాలి ఓకేనా బెట
Okay.
ఇంకా బాగుంటుంది నేర్చుకోండి ఓకేనా చేస్తావా
Yes.
వెరీ గుడ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ
Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.
మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.